Hello and welcome to a new video by Millsy London. Today we're making a mini skirt or a skirt in this lovely pink silk satin fabric. Here are the pieces. There's a front piece and two back pieces. The back pieces are two pieces. The front is one piece that was cut on a fold. We're then going to place each individual piece together. First, the back piece, we're going to place it with the side seams matching, and that's left and right. Just pin together the sides, and this won't take a while. Just pinning left and right sides together by the side seam. The back seam, the back center seam, we're going to pin it together, but I think later on I'm going to add a zip. Now I'm just sewing it together and I'll show you the finishing results. When creating the skirt pattern, you can always use a skirt that you have already in your wardrobe. Just make sure to fold it in half and then fold it in half with the front being in the middle to create the back pieces each side. So fold it in half from the front and then copy each side for the back pieces.
Your loving on me makes me feel special.
Now we're just adding on the zip. When I added it here, I did it a bit wrong. So you're supposed to place the zip on the outside of the fabric and fold it in at the opening and then pin it. I forgot to fold it in, I just started pinning it flat, but I did fix it later on.
We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes.
I'm now hemming the top of the skirt, so just folding it in twice, just create a mini waistband. You just need to fold the fabric in twice at the top, fold it in one inch and then fold it in another inch or even half an inch, just because it was a really slim waistband.
Don't need to move. Whenever you here, I feel like I can't lose. Baby, I wanna ride with you, oh, I got so high, oh, I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes.
now the top is done, we're going to do the same at the bottom. I'm just going to fold it in twice and make a hem at the bottom with the same ½ inch. With the remaining fabric, I'm going to cut a strip of fabric and create a ribbon just to go at the back of the skirt. Keep watching. Now the garment is finished. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is just a quick video on how to make a skirt, and I've just added a bow at the back, and I hope you enjoy the garment, love the pink, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye!